Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a little bit different from the content that I usually film here on the channel, but it's a video that I wanted to do forever. I want to share with you my top 5 favorite coffee shops here in Aberdeen, because if you have watched any of my vlogs or you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love going to coffee shops. You know, secretly I would love to have my own coffee shop one day, to like design my own perfect coffee shop space. There are a few really cute coffee shops here in Aberdeen. I feel like especially over the recent years a few new ones have opened as well, so I do want to share them with you guys just in case you ever come to Aberdeen and you want to check out some cute coffee shops. It's really nice to give local coffee shops more awareness and to really consciously choose to go to local coffee shops over chains like Starbucks or Costa. I just love talking about coffee shops, so that's why I'm filming this video. Also, I listed all the coffee shops with the addresses, with a few pictures, my favorite drinks, all the things in a blog post, which I will link down below in the description box for you guys to check out. Also, by the way, all of the coffee shops that I'm mentioning in this video have free Wi-Fi, because that's just an absolute must when you go to a coffee shop, so I just wanted to point that out there. So I rank them from 5th place to 1st place, and my 5th place is Cafe Society. So Cafe Society is at the end of Union Street, so it's super central in Aberdeen. Generally, most of the coffee shops that I tell you guys about, they're central in Aberdeen. So Cafe Society I really like for studying, particularly because they have plugs and they also have a lot of seating available, so you can sit there for a bit longer. What I really like about Cafe Society as well are their seasonal drinks, gingerbread lattes and pumpkin spice lattes, all of those fun things. And they also have little treats, so I love to eat like Rocky Road there, or like caramel shortbread. I have not tried like their wraps and their like actual food, but the cakes that they have look really good. And just generally, Cafe Society has really big windows, so it's super light, it's really pretty, it's a nice coffee shop. It's also open till 6, which is good. The only thing that's a bit of a downer when it comes to Cafe Society is that they're closed on Sundays, which is a shame, but other than that, I really love Cafe Society. Number 4 is the Craftsman Company. Same as with Cafe Society, the Craftsman Company is really nice to go there with a laptop, to get some work done, to study, because it's also quite a big space, and they have plugs, which is always a must. What I really like about Craftsman Company is their whole vibe, and it's different from the other coffee shops as well. It's a lot more like, I don't know, it's like a bit industrial, and they have really cool music playing all the time. And also at night they turn down the lights, so it actually becomes more of like a bar, because they also have craft beer, they roast their own coffee. So I really like Craftsman Company for that. The whole vibe is really cute. They have like fairy lights. They have an amazing chai latte. I highly recommend you guys to try out the chai latte. It's honestly so good. They also have some cute seasonal drinks from time to time, and they also offer food. So my friend Marissa and I, we had once like potato there, baked potato and avocado toast. So also their food is really nice. I think they also have like poached eggs and all of the things, so you can also eat in there. Number 3 is Bio Cafe. So Bio Cafe has just recently opened. I think they opened last year, but I'm not really sure, but it's the first refined sugar-free restaurant here in Aberdeen. So they serve vegetarian and vegan foods that are all free of refined sugar, which is obviously really great. So Bio Cafe is not really like a coffee shop. I do feel like it's more of a restaurant, but I still wanted to put that in here because Bio Cafe is just amazing. You have to check them out on Instagram. Like, their Instagram is so amazing because their food is absolutely incredible. So I went there once for brunch with my friend Yana, and I had like a big waffle, which was amazing. And I also went there once for lunch and I had a like a vegan hot dog, which was so good. And what I really like about Bio Cafe as well is their portions are quite big, so you're definitely gonna be full from the food you're eating there. And they also have really nice like raw vegan desserts and cakes, and it's just such a great place. It's really cute. It's a little bit off from Union Street, but literally not long. Not that much seating, but if you're just like 2 people or something, then it's fine. But you can obviously also always call in and book your table. Then the second place has Food Story. Woohoo! What was that? So Food Story, I think, is one of the most successful and popular coffee shops here in Aberdeen. I think they opened up in 2013, and yeah, they're like super well known, and they're an absolutely incredible coffee shop and restaurant. Honestly, if you come to Aberdeen, then I feel like Food Story is just a must to check out. Food Story is really nice as well to go there for studying, because again, it's quite big. It's probably the biggest coffee shop that I'm mentioning in this video, and so it's fine. Like, you can sit there for a few hours and you know, plug in your laptop and all of the things, and it won't be an issue. I love their coffee. It's really good, and probably because they use my favorite Oatly barista milk. So I usually get a oat milk latte, and they also just recently launched orange chocolate chai, which is also so incredible. They also have really good food, so they have a lot of different salads, and they always ask as well for your dietary requirements, so it's mostly vegan and, you know, vegetarian options, and it's really good. Like, honestly, they also have really nice breakfast. What they also have, which is absolutely incredible, upstairs they have a zero waste shop, so you get everything zero waste. You get a lot of different health foods. They also have hired bakers to bake their own bread, and it's just really great. They have like seasonal foods, and Food Story is just amazing. The vibe is really cute. They have like plants and fairy lights and all of the things. Highly recommend Food Story. Okay, and then last but not least, of course not, because my all-time favorite coffee shop, the best coffee shop in Aberdeen in my opinion, is the Cult of Coffee. Oh my gosh. So also, by the way, literally the sun set like what? So I was filming this for like 10 minutes now. Great. But anyway, so Cult of Coffee is my all-time favorite coffee shop in Aberdeen. Honestly, their coffee is absolutely incredible. My favorite drink that they have is the cappuccino. The cappuccino there is insane. Oh my gosh. But they also have really nice like seasonal drinks. They have cakes, and they have this really cool thing. It's like a cake slider. You get to try all the different pieces of cake. They make like little slices, and they all put it on a slider, and it's incredible. They don't have food, so they just have like the cakes and then the drinks. Amazing to go there, to sit, to, you know, chat with a friend. Don't really want you to go there with your laptop and sit for hours there, which I can totally understand, because it's like more of a small space, right? But just to go there with a friend, it's incredible. They have like a cute fireplace, and Cult of Coffee is just the best coffee shop. Honestly, I remember when my friends Jana, Marissa, and I, when we discovered Cult of Coffee in second year, we were like, oh, how did we ever live without this coffee shop? Like, literally. And whenever I take people there, they're also just as amazed. Yeah, Cult of Coffee, I just love. Okay, so this was my really random, maybe a bit nerdy video about the best coffee shops in Aberdeen. Let me know, guys, if you've ever been to a coffee shop in Aberdeen, and if yes, what's your favorite? And yeah, I really hope that you maybe check out a few of those places. I really love them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!